You sell food with lifestyle. My restaurant is not based off of the food. It's based off the hospitality and the lifestyle.
Fire or not, Joe, Chef, factory back. Can't take it back. Add on one more bucatini. It's 3 bucatini all day. Add on a cavatelli and a tortelli. Order via.
I'm Drew DiTomo. I'm the chef de cuisine of Amis Trattoria in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm born and raised in Philly. I've been cooking my whole life. Worked in and out of restaurants in Philadelphia and the surrounding area. I want to be important in a community. And the only way I see doing that is through my craft and my art, which is cooking. We're down here at the Italian market. This is normally where I start my day. So we're gonna take a look at some of these places, some of the places that inspire us, and then definitely just walk through and grab some ingredients, and we're gonna take it back to the restaurant with my sous chef Kevin, and we're gonna make some food out of it. What's up? We're like 10 minutes late. I totally forgot. I'm heading over to my barber now. I just so happened to have a haircut, so my barber's like, yo, you're 10 minutes late, where are you, dude? And it's a head shave, so like, you know, there's like time he has to put into this, you know? We're constantly looking into how we could get more out of our time in a day, which is so finite, you know? How do I find the time to go to the barbershop, you know, squeeze that in before I get to work, spend an extra half hour? Yeah, that pushes a little bit into this, but I think what I get out of that propels me forward in this end of the day. So we're gonna head back to the market. We'll pick some stuff up. And then we have a giant pig coming. So we have to get the pig done by service. So that's where the time shit really kicks in. We gotta go. Here, the timing is fast. It's about management of time. How can we look at our day and manage our time? And timing is everything in a restaurant. The timing has to be perfect. You know, when during the season do you open your restaurant? What are the hours of your restaurant? What are the hours of operation? What are the peak hours? What are the low hours, you know? Oh, let me get a couple of these, just because, look at them. These the ones you guys use at Budo?
At Budo, yeah. I feel like they might have been like an inch smaller, but nothing like...
Like diameter smaller?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, geez, these...
Agnolini. Wow. This little guy, we could do something cool with this today.
Ethan's in love with that shape, dude.
Yeah, we could do like a little like ricotta ravioli with it.
With pork.
You know, with pork ragu.
Yeah.
We'll be back in like a couple minutes. All right, see you, bro. He's freaking out. They're all freaking out. We got to get back there. We only make money from 5 to 10 every night. 5 o'clock is always coming, and we always have to be ready for that. So, like, I kind of operate on that, you know? I need that constant level of stress from knowing that we have to perform every night. You know, we have a timing, and we have to get on stage and perform. It's important to my creation process, you know? Because I cook my whole life. This is like, I've been kind of surrounded by this mentality my whole life. You want to help me get this over onto my shoulder?
Yeah.
We'll like do that. Oh, God. This is a local pig. You know, this came from right outside of Harrisburg. This guy fucking grows legit shit, you know? So, for the antipasti this evening, we're gonna do porchetta tonnato. So we took the short loin. The short loin sits right below the rib cage. So we're taking from rib 15 all the way down until we start getting to the hip and the leg, where we normally pull out our prosciutto. We're gonna cool it down and we're gonna thinly slice it. And we're gonna serve it with tonnato sauce. So tonnato sauce is a very traditional sauce in more northern parts of Italy. I want them to cook like grandmothers. You know, I want them to be in the moment of cooking a perfect pork chop on a grill that came from a beautiful animal that was, you know, gave life for us to give more life. So we have fresh, this is egg dough pasta, which is like your tagliatelles, your pappardelle, garganelle, all that kind of stuff. So this is our standard egg dough. So I just kind of flatten the dough ball out. And what essentially we're gonna do is we're gonna take this dough, and this is called a sheeter, and we're gonna just keep sending it through until we get this millefeuille, very thin dough, you know? I went to Italy, and that's where I started honing in the craft, you know, and really understanding what pasta is. We just know how to manage and handle time, you know. I was teaching one of my boys how to cook. He's cooking for a chick. And I was like, dude, it's all about managing your time and expectations. That's all it is. That's all it is, dude. And if you manage them right, your temperature, time, and expectations, you're gonna be a successful cook. Timing is very important in my career, in what we do at a restaurant day to day. We always talk about pacing. Pacing is very important in our world. That's timing between the front of the house, the back of the house, you know, in between my cooks, me.
All right, let's go. Beat up. You're rising right now, right, Chris? All right, next fire. 2 cavatelli going with 2 chicken, sprout, asparagus. I don't want more bucatini. It's 3 bucatini all day.
I wish the days were longer. I wish we have more opportunity to do more things, you know. I don't want to just end in this restaurant. You know, I never want to just do this. There's only so many hours in the day I can devote to my business, let alone all the other projects I have in mind and what I want to do in the art, the other forms of art I want to participate in. This keeps us on the pulse. You know, having something right there on my wrist, I can keep my finger on the pulse of what we have to do on a day-to-day basis.